Today we are going to see how to achieve these beautiful textured locks. Yes, whatever you know them as, textured locks, butterfly locks, distress locks, bohemian locks, whatever you know them as, we're going to see how to achieve them. So if you want to see that, you just go straight into the video. But before you do that, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Alright guys? Hey lovey. Alright, so let's do this. So I have the piece of hair that I'm putting inside of the lock. This one to add thickness to the lock. And this I am using to wrap the hair. So I have two pieces. One I'm going to start with and one I have to use later. So I'm going to show you when I have to use this one. Alright? So, first of all, you're going to fold this in half, like that. Let me put this needle in the here. So I open my latch. Alright? I'm pushing it through the hair, like that. So I have my hair, it's in half. And I'm using these 3 fingers. So I put the hair, so I grip it here, grip it, I grip it, put it over my thumb, hold it with, put it over my pointer finger like that, and hold it with my middle finger. So I grip it. You see that? So that it is stretched, so that I am able to put it in the needle easily. So I put it in and I close the latch. Pull that through, push it up, close the latch again, and pull it out. So now I pull through the one piece of hair. So now I have a half. I put it in half. So this is what we're going to wrap. So now I have my hair, and the hair to wrap. So now the hair to wrap with, we have to put it in the plait as well, into the braid as well. So this much you're putting inside, not more than this. You're not putting it half. You're not halving this one. You are just using a very little piece, this much. So we put the needle back in, not where we put the other hair from, but at any other part of the braid. From the root, you put it in. So we're going to grip again. Grip it here, over the thumb, over the pointer finger, and grip there. So we have this, so that you can able to put it onto the hook. So we got the hook, hook it, close the latch, pull it through. Push up, close the latch again, pull it out, you pull through that little piece. So we got this little piece now, just this much. Please excuse the noise in the background. That's my family cooking and preparing lunch. So we got this. So now we are going to wrap 4 times at the root. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, when we're wrapping down, we are using our pointer finger and our thumb finger. Pointer and thumb. And we are wrapping down using your pointer and thumb to guide where your hair drops and where it falls. So you wrap, and as you go down, you are going to move your hand down as well. As you go down the braid, further to the end, you move your hand down as well. Alright, so my hair is almost finished here. So we wrap one more time. Good. So I am adding another piece of hair because I want to maintain the thickness that is at the top here. Alright? So I add this in, just place it on like that. And I hold it with everything else. I continue wrapping. I wrap. Not to wrap it too tight. Alright? Oh, the hair that you can use to wrap your hair. You can use any curly hair, whether it be the free tress hair, the passion twist, the spring twist, any kind of hair that curls. But you gotta remember, you gotta have small curls in the hair. It gives it a more natural look, at least to me. This is what I think. So we're wrapping. So we're almost to the end of this here. Almost to the end. So this is what we have left. And the second piece that I showed you before, this is what we are attaching here. So just a little piece about this. You attach there. And you continue wrapping with the hair that you were wrapping with previously. So you continue wrapping this here like that. Now that is finished, and I just put it in the rest. So I just stuck it away with the rest of hair. So with this new piece of hair that you have just added, you're going to wrap in the same direction that you were wrapping previously, because you don't want it to unravel and make a mess and look weird, alright, for lack of a better word. So I'm still wrapping, and well, this is my desired length of lock. So with this here, this is the hair that was in the lock. I'm going to turn it up, so I'm folding it. So this is it. I just simply fold it up, and I wrap it up my lock like that. We are doing no burning, no glue, no nail glue or anything. So the same, the hair that I was wrapping with previously, we still have a whole lot left. So we are going to wrap it up the lock as well. So we simply just fold it, the hair, we fold it up and wrap. Wrap until you're finished, and I'm going to show you how to end this. So I'm simply just wrapping. Remember, you're not wrapping too tight. You don't want this lock to look fine and skinny. You know, you gotta give it a little body. Yes, yes, lovies. Alright. We're going up until the hair is finished. You're wrapping up. You get that? No pun intended though. We're wrapping up because this is my last braid. Pun. Alright, so I have this little piece left. So I'm going to knot now. So my final wrap, I wrap and I come over here to my left side, which is your right. I hold it there and I make a loop. You see that loop? And I put this part through the loop and I pull, right? Make another loop, the loop, the hair, push it through and pull. This piece that you have left here, you just simply wrap it around your lock. And just like that, you have your butterfly lock or your soft braid. Look at that. Look at that beauty. You got your soft braid. And if it is a bit too messy for you, all you got to do is roll it. Roll it between your hand, between your palm. Roll it. And look at that. You see it's a bit more neat. I don't know why the camera isn't focusing. but it's a bit more neat than what it was. And this is the finished look of my Marley braid, or my Marley lock. What you think? If you like it, if you love it. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. So yes.